Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and what we'll be discussing here today is the turbocharger. IC engine, the power generated by the IC engine is directly related to the compression force over the air and fuel mixture. So there are basically two methods by which we can get higher compression. One is by changing the configuration of the engine and other is by using the chargers. So there are two types of chargers. One is the supercharger and another one is the turbocharger. So we'll be discussing here turbocharger today. First of all, let's have a look at how the turbocharger is made up and what it is comprised of. One part is the turbine and the turbine housing. Another one is the compressor and the compressor housing. And both of them are connected by a center shaft passing from their center. Now let's have a look at how the turbocharger works. Exhaust gases coming straight from the exhaust manifold goes into the turbine housing, which moves the turbine, and on the other hand, the compressor connected to the turbine by a shaft moves on the other hand, and the air which is coming straight from the air filter assembly moves as well. So the fresh air on getting compressed is further moved into the air intercooler. Air intercoolers are used in order to cool down the compressed air as the content of oxygen reduces in the hot air. So to get the content of oxygen increase and also to accommodate large amount of air into the cylinder, intercoolers are used. The exhaust gases which is coming into the turbine after moving the turbine gets out of the turbine housing to the straight from the exhaust gas outlet, and the air which is coming into the compressor from the air compressor inlet goes into the pipe which is connected to the intercooler, and then from the intercooler it goes directly into the cylinder from the intake manifold. So this is how the diagrammatic view of how the turbochargers work. Now let's have a look what the turbocharger actually looks like and how it works into the engine.
So guys, this is how the turbocharger actually looks like, and as we have discussed earlier, the turbocharger is composed of three different parts. One is turbine, one is compressor, and the other one is the housing. And this is the oil pipe which is coming straight from the engine block and which is used to lubricate the bearing, which is for turbine and for the compressor as well. And turbine and compressor is connected with a shaft which is passing from the center. So starting from the turbine, how the turbine works. Turbine is working with the exhaust gases coming straight from the exhaust manifold, and then which forces to rotate the turbine, and then turbine further moves the compressor, which is over here as you can see inside. It's the compressor, and compressor rotates as the turbine rotates. So and compressor is connected to the air filter assembly, and it sucks in the fresh air and it compresses the fresh air, and then it sends directly to the intercooler to cool it down as the content of oxygen reduces in the hot air. So and after passing it from the intercooler, and it goes again into the intake manifold, and the process continues. And so this is what the turbocharger is all about.
By now you all must be aware of how the turbocharger actually looks like and how it is fitted into the engine. Now also let's talk about the boost provided by the turbochargers. Naturally aspirated engines works on 10 Newton per centimeter square, whereas the turbochargers give the boost of around 4.2 to 5.6 Newton per centimeter square. So basically 50% more power is provided by the turbocharger. So this is how the turbocharger works and why it is used. And this is and with this we come to the end of this video, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share and give your valuable comments below, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.